If you're tired of your air fryer taking up every square inch of your counter space, but don't want to sacrifice in accessibility and performance, this is the tool for you. This is the Ninja Flip. What a great invention. It's all the power to cook a 12-inch pizza, air fries with zero preheating, and has 8 different functions, all in this small footprint product that has Ninja brand behind it. Let's take a look at this unboxing and see everything we can do with the Ninja Flip. Then I'll show you how it works. Now watch to the end for my favorite reason for having the Ninja Flip. Now, as you can see, it has a great quick start guide plus a more detailed instruction book. It's well packed, and as you can see, it's not very big. It packs 118 watts, and it has oven crisp technology with 6 infrared heating elements combined with rapid circulating hot air, which cooks with speed and precision without extra space required. Now, it has 3 distinct racks in here: a wire rack, an air fryer basket, and a baking rack, which allow it to do its 8 functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate. And it comes with best practices and real detailed, easy to read instructions. You can get all these functions in this one piece without taking up your entire countertop. Look how easy it flips up. It has edge to edge evenness, which helps it cook perfectly with its small space. Flip it up, reclaim your counter space, and join me in my favorite reason now. Now, I have to admit, one of the reasons that I shy away from pulling the trigger on a air fryer toaster combination is the foot space, and I really love toast. I love pop-up toast. We eat it almost every morning in my house, and I've never found one to work as a toaster and all those things. And a toaster is something I use every day. Air fryer, not so much. But what if all those things could come into play in one piece that didn't take up that much room on your counter? Here it is. This is the party piece you've been waiting for, the Ninja Flip. Let's take a close look at it, why I chose this. I have this tiny space on my counter to use next to my refrigerator, next to another appliance that I use every day. So how can this be? I've opted for the Ninja Flip. Now, Ninja Shark brand always makes great products, so I know it's going to be reliable. And look at everything it can do. 8 functions. I'm not sacrificing anything but foot space. And one of my favorite features is just plain toast. I'm not willing to sacrifice a toaster on my countertop that I use every day. So let's see if the Ninja Flip passes the toast test. So this very easy quick start guide tells you how to do all of the 8 functions: air fry, air roast, broil, bake, toast, pizza, or dehydrate. Now for toast, I'm going to quickly follow these instructions. I'm going to use the wire rack. It comes with lots of pieces, including a wire rack, a tray, and an air fry basket. I'm going to remove those 2 extra pieces and use just the wire rack. And what I love about this toaster is you can do 1 piece up to 6 pieces. Simply place them on the wire rack just as easily as I would put them in a toaster. And I'm going to choose the option that says toast. No icons to read, no looking up what the numbers mean, just words. So as I flip through the modes, I just simply press the button that says mode, super easy, and I'm going to land on toast. And I can choose the temperature, and I can choose number of slices. I'm going to go about my morning and come back when my toast is ready. I'll let you watch the speed browning while I get the butter and the jelly. It even has a countdown, so you know exactly how much time it's going to take. I love that. That's not a feature I have on my pop-up toaster. Some technical truths are 5.5 quart capacity, and it has a temperature range of 85 to 450 degrees, and it measures 19 inches long by 10 inches wide by 18.5 inches high. It beeps and lets me know. Let's check out my first toast in the Ninja Flip. Yes, it's perfect. This is the first I have seen of an air fryer that the toasting element is perfect. And the best part about the Ninja Flip is yet to come. Now, it has a QR code with lots of recipes, and it has recipes right in the start guide here: chicken teriyaki and chicken wings, and then look, here are your basic sheet pan meal. This is what I need. Give me a protein, give me a vegetable, give me a side, all in one. That's what we all need on a weekly basis. And it tells you protein, vegetable, seasoning, toss it up, and the amount of time to cook it. You could make an entire family function on this. But here's the kicker. The Ninja Flip, not only does it air fry, toast, bake, and all of these incredible options, it also dehydrates and it will roast. But when you're finished, here's the best part. Not having very much time and wanting simplicity. Time, simplicity, ease, toast, and here is the best reason of all. The flip. Up. And out of the way, all of the heat elements are enclosed, and this is perfectly cool. Now I can have my counter space back for all of the other things that we need in our life. Don't hog up your counter space or your time, and don't make your life overcomplicated. I highly recommend the Ninja Flip. I hope you like this video. Please like this video and follow us for more videos on great brands like this and many others.